Hello, friends. Matt Houghton here with take number who knows what. I'm trying to do a real quick tutorial on YouTube webhook integration with Discord. The first thing you'll need to do is just make sure that you have the credentials to do this. In my case, here's my ugly mug over here as an admin. So we are in the autonomy server. You want to go up to your server settings. Now let's click on webhooks. We're going to create a new webhook, and we are going to give it a name. In this case, and I'll get into this later, but we're going to use my YouTube channel. Watch that capital H there. There you go. And then we select the channel that we want the videos to post in, and that is the members only chat. We won't use an icon at this point. That's not a big deal. Come over here to copy. And we just want to make sure to copy that URL for the webhook. We will need that here in a minute. Click Save. And now the Discord portion is pretty much done. Now the next thing you'll need to do, you'll need to go over to ifttt.com and set yourself up an account. In my case, I already have. And then once you're all set up and on your home page, click on your whatever, click on your icon, go down to create. And behold the glory of North Idaho satellite internet. All right. Now at this point, this is where I kind of have some gripes with the IFTTT website. You got to click here. Not very apparent, but you click on where it said this on the page. Now, since we are grabbing essentially a RSS feed from YouTube, and that might not be the proper term, but we'll run with it. Type in however much part of YouTube you need before it pops up. Now, in this case, we are setting up a public video from a subscription, and you'll need to use, or whatever account you're using. I think this is why they recommend that you integrate your IFTTT account with a Google account, because that way it's using your subscriptions through your YouTube Google account. So new video from subscription. And hey, look, right at the top. So this is where all of your video subscriptions will show up. I had to make sure to subscribe to myself from a different channel or from a different account. So anatomy of the mix, that's where I want it to come from. We're going to create the trigger. And then we click on the grayed out that area. And what we need to create is the webhook itself. So we're looking for this webhook icon right here. Make a web request. The only option we got. So we just click on there. Now that URL that we copied earlier, we're going to paste that in with Control V. In the method, we're making a new post on Discord. The content type application, and I'm pretty sure the JS is JavaScript. I'm not sure what the ON is. Now this body, this is why I need to test this, but I'm pretty sure that everything that shows up in the server, like new Corbett report video bot, Corbett report, and the URL, I'm pretty sure that all of these are what you select in here. So let's go the title, the author name, the description, the URL, and I don't know, I guess the embed code. We'll see how this works. We can come back and edit this later. And then let's create the action. Now, yeah, review and finish. Let's just click finish. Hey, we made a new connection. Isn't that amazing? At this point, I have to butt in because I'm pretty sure I missed something the first go around. So this is me from the future fixing what I tried to help you with in the past. So let's break it down. To me, it looks like we have kind of two, or at least one main argument here. You've got this second part that might be the content here, like the text. Then we have username, a new video from Anatomy of the Mix. And it looks like that's, again, the username of the bot. So let's run with that. That makes sense to me. So we do have curly brackets running the entire thing. And then we have two separate deals here. Username in parentheses with a colon. And then the username in parentheses again. A comma separating the two arguments. Or that's probably the wrong term. I'm not Mr. Code over here. Then we have content in parentheses with a colon, and then username and URL that I just added from here. So if we click out of that, you can see how it's got that gray box on it. But again, it's itself within quotes, and then that curly bracket at the end. So if we save this, go back into settings, check now, check complete, Alt tab back over to this little ditty. Well, I might have missed my opportunity. So we'll delete this video and repost it. And this time just with the title of button mash. Only 2 seconds of video, so it goes through pretty quick. Let's hop over here to get ready. And is this? Yeah, so I'm in that other YouTube account. Press F5 to reload this page. Yeah, so there's my button mash. Oh, I was already in the right window. Check now. Since we know the video's ready, check complete. Over here. Hey, there we go. So I think I figured out, just through some trial and error and also checking the status of the other one I already had up. Looks like that was all I needed. And now I forget at what point I am in the video. Was that the end? Did I just need to replace the end? I believe so. Holy cow. So let's say that. And now we can all move on with our lives because we've integrated some webhook action thanks to ifttt.com. Let's wrap it up. I'm late for class. I'm late for autonomy. I'm 13 minutes late. I would like to get this video edited and published. So I suppose I'll see you guys in the rerun. And I don't know. If not, take care. We'll see you around.